again. Welcome to Samshakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Malad online classes. Myself Deshmukh Apeksha. Student, today we are going to learn 7th standard English subject, the very beautiful lesson, the king choice. But here not man is king. In this lesson, in this story, the king is a lion. So you know, lion is king of forest. So this is a very beautiful story written by Shankar, and this story is taken from the book From Folk Tales Retold. So student, you know there are two types animal, wild animal and pet animal. So which are wild animal? So wild animal means, for example, lion, then fox, leopard, camel, vulture. So this story is all these animals. Means in this story these animals and their king is lion. So now you look in your textbook. I read this story. Okay. So now student, you see in your textbook page number 10, subtopic 1.4, the king's choice. So student, now I read first paragraph. There was once a lion who was king of the forest. He was big and strong and very fierce. All the other animals in the forest called him king. They brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. But the more the lion had, the more he wanted. A king must have a coat, he said to himself one day. He called a fox to his side. You are known to be a wise and clever creature. Fox, said the lion, I want you to be my advisor. Thank you, your majesty, said the fox, bowing low. So student, now we see there are many wild animals in forest. So these all animals are living in the forest. So all these animals doing some activities for the king. So student, who is king? So lion is the king of forest. Here lion, who was king of the forest? So lion is the king of forest, and he was very big, strong and very fierce. Fierce means very dangerous. So student, these are qualities of king, means these are qualities of lion, means lion is big, strong and also very dangerous, you know. Okay, so all the other animals in the forest call him king, means all these animals, means for example fox, leopard, camel, all these animals call lion king, and they brought him gifts from every corner of the forest. So student, all these animals means leopard, vulture, camel, means any other animals always call him king, and they always bring something, means some gifts, some food, each and every corner from the forest to the king. So king said that, but the king wanted, but the more the lion had, the more he wanted. So student, there are different type of animal in forest. So king wanted more food, means more types animal. Then one day the lion said to himself, a king must have a coat. So who said to himself? One day a lion said to himself one day, means he was thinking, means he was decided that king must have a coat. So one day he called a fox, means he called to fox to his side. So one day he called fox, and he called to fox to his side, and he called fox, you are known to be wise. Wise means intelligent and clever. So lion, king called to fox, you are known, means fox is very intelligent animal, and also he was very clever. So therefore he called fox, I want to be my advisor, and he decided, that means he want to make advisor. So who is advisor? So now fox is advisor of king, means fox is advisor of lion. And then so now fox is said that, thank you, your majesty, said the fox, bowing low. Bowing low means, student, bowing low means to bend the knee, means give respect to the king. Give respect to the king means lion. And fox said that, thank you so much, your majesty. Majesty means this is a respected word for king. So he said very thankfully, very respectfully to the lion, thank you, your majesty. Okay, student, you understand up to here? So now remaining part of this story we see in next lecture. Thank you.